Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my February monthly. This is going to be, of course, a Valentine's Day spread, so I'm going to use Cupid's Arrow. These are some stickers that I have in my shop. I don't think I'm going to use any boxes in this spread. I'm going to save my boxes for my currently page and goal sheet, which will be another video. So I want to use the same stickers though to do both so that, like, you know, everything kind of matches. So I think I'm going to take this cute little sticker and put down here at the bottom. Crooked. Still crooked. All right. I'm going to cut that so it'll help me lay it down straight. So I got all of my sticker date orders out finally. They'd have been out a lot quicker, but I ran into a lot of issues with Cricut Design Space. Yeah, it was very frustrating. Cricut is my best friend, of course, because my livelihood depends on it, but it is also my worst nightmare. Simply because Cricut, for some reason, they're constantly doing updates. I'm looking for some quotes, by the way. They're constantly doing updates, adding new features and doing things. But every time, which is usually a couple times a week, they do an update, they mess up something else. So they fix one thing and mess up at least one or two other things. So it's always an issue. So I spent about 2 hours on the phone the other day with Cricut support or Cricut Care, whatever it's called, and got one issue resolved of 3. So I was able to finish your orders, but it's just, it's always something with Cricut. So I've had to, for one of my other issues, I've had to kind of switch up the way that I design things. So I'm having to learn how to do things all over again, which I've been doing the same designing type situation for the last 3 years with Pleasantly Planned. And so now, since Cricut has done updates and added new features, now I have to relearn and do things differently. So anyways, all of those orders are out. So I am now working on a February release. So it'll be my first release for February, which will be available this coming Friday, February 2nd. And you can still use your YouTube 30 coupon code to save 30% off of your order. And make sure, if you're not signed up for emails on my website, that you go sign up for emails. That's going to be the quickest way, or the best way, for you to get sneak peeks and release information, coupon codes, all that fun stuff. So make sure that you head over to thepleasantlyplanned.com and sign up for emails. Yeah. All right, so I wanted a quote that said something about love, because this is, of course, a Valentine's Day spread. So I grabbed Faith Quotes 10, and this says, "God is love, and all who live in love live in God." So it's perfect, a perfect love quote for Valentine's Day. So let's see now. I think I kind of want to do like a little heart situation up here. And I think we're going to put the heart right around the notes. That's cute. That actually is really cute. This is going to be a pretty simple spread. I wonder, let me see if I can find some small boxes. I don't know if I have any already cut. I do. So I'm actually going to put some small boxes in here, just because. So I think I'm going to, I have a little sticky note here with some dates on it, things that, like appointments and things for February. So I have the 13th, the 16th, let's see, 13, 16, 20, and 21. 20 and 21. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put boxes on those dates. And then maybe decorate around the boxes. What'd I say? 13th, 16th. I think I'm going to stick one up here just to have one up here on February 1st. I could have put it there for my release, but I don't want boxes lined up, so. All right, and then let's take a couple of these. So I said the 20th. I'll put this one here. And the 21st. And so this is the small sticker kit that is available in my shop. And it has the scalloped strips, like scalloped washi strips. And let's see, I'm just going to put this over here. It's crooked. Okay. All right, I said over here I didn't want boxes on top of each other, but I've got appointments on these days. I'm actually going to move this over because it does kind of aggravate me. Okay. And then I think I might take some of my little scalloped washi. I like decorating my boxes with washi. I think it just makes the boxes look really cute. I think I need to put my reading glasses on. I can't see very well. Okay, so we'll do that one. And we'll do this one. This isn't cut very straight. I knew that would happen. I'm gonna grab my little scissors. This is probably gonna be a disaster. Oh well, it's not perfect. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this pink, peachy, pinky coral color and put on top of this one. Yikes. I'm struggling today, y'all. Let me grab a ruler, something that'll make my life a little bit easier. There we go. Okay. All right, that's super cute. Now I think I'm going to take just a couple of little decorative pieces and place around the boxes. So we'll do this one over here. That's so crooked. That's even more crooked. I'm gonna get it together in a minute, y'all. promise. I think it's because I cut it crooked. Okay, that's better. All right, and then I think I'm going to take a little heart wreath and put beside this box. And then over here, I wish I'd have cut this different. Let's cut this a little different. I'm gonna use a different one. I didn't cut that the way I wanted it. Let's see. My fingers always get in the way. And since this is the first video I filmed in like 2 weeks, it's an awkward one. I feel awkward again. I say that all the time. It's just so weird how awkward not filming for so long makes me feel. I think I cut it the same exact way. Oh well, you're probably screaming at me. It's okay. All right, I want to take, I think I'm gonna take this cute little vase thingy, put it right here. I think I'm gonna try to put this box, just lay the box over top of that sticker instead of trying to cut it. All right, that's cute. And then maybe a little heart over here. Nope. Okay, that's super cute. I am going to put my word of the year. So I have my custom word of the year stickers. My word of the year is trust. And I think one of the last videos, or the last Plan With Me's I did, I think I forgot to put my word of the year on there. Oops. All right, so let's put it. Where do I want to put it? I think I'm going to put it up here. Let's just try a little one. I'm actually going to put it right here. I think it'd be cute. I'd cut it straight. Okay, super cute. All right, I think I'm finished, or I am finished. So let's put it back in my planner. I hope y'all enjoyed this kind of quick video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember, new releases on Friday, February 2nd in my shop. Let me show you a little sneaky peeky. So we have Radiant Petals. This is the mini, this is before I cut them. So the mini, the small, and then the large. We have Feathered Friends. These are adorable. I'm like getting ready for spring over here. So super cute. We have Rainy Days. I love the colors in these. They're like really bright, pretty, happy colors. And then we have Violet Bliss. So there's 4 new sticker designs. We're gonna have matching, matching sticker kits and matching boxes to go with all 4 designs. So make sure you're signed up for emails to get that announcement, so you don't forget. Use your coupon code YouTube30 in all capital letters over at thepleasantlyplanned.com, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye guys.